In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your text into stunning visuals completely for free. Okay, so the tool that we're going to use is called Napkin AI. You can access it by coming to napkin.ai and then you can just go ahead and sign in. You're going to have some effective and fantastic visuals. Let's say I have this text. Let's say I have this proposal that I just written and I just want to convert the objectives into a glaring visual. So I can just come over and let's say we can sign in. So all you need once you sign in is you can create a new napkin. Like you can see, these visuals are created by me. I just created them using this particular tool. So if you want to create a new napkin, you can just come to blank napkin and you can just paste in the text you've copied. You can copy and then you can see once you hover over it, you see this sign to generate the visual. Okay, so you can just click and in just in a matter of seconds, this is going to generate some fantastic editable visuals. And you can see it has given you a sample unveiling abuse energy challenge objectives. These are the objectives, so you can just go ahead and check. You can hover over them and choose the one that you think is going to be the best for you. You can see so many of them depending on your choice. So once you select a particular one, for example, in my own case, let's say I go with something like this. If this is what I want, I can just click out. I have this and I can edit it using these features like changing the background, changing the text. You can double click to change the text and you have this control over them. You can write and edit accordingly. Okay, so if you are done, you can just come over, click on this and you can download your image in PNG, SVG, PDF or PPT. Let's say I want it in PNG and I can just click on download and you can see right now I have downloaded my visual which I can put on any presentation or thereabout. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.